Welcome back. This is McDonald's step-by-step P-Learning. Today is our 10th day of P-Learning classes. And next, as we are da sonko yade P-Learning no ento aso eba. Ene yebeka bibi afa Twi atwerede, that is alphabets. In Ghanaian language, we have 22 alphabets, that is atwerede. Ti mesha ase nama akenkan. B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, O, P, H, S, T, U, W, Y. Mesa bubo so bim. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, O, P, S, T, U, W, Y. Medi akenkan ni aba wie. Yebesa ato aso. Na de beto aso no, yebekeka atwerede no abobom. Se de Twi yenim no, yewo consonant maako 15. Consonant no yeka no enum jeje. Ene yewo vowels. No so yeka no ene jeje. Eye maako 7, which is enson. Nti ye next lesson no yebesua se de yebekeka ni mienu nyina bom a ebenya enkabom ede. Nti stay tuned and relax and learn. Please, if you are new and you are following our channel, please do well to learn the previous one so that you can move along with us. Thank you for being patient. We recommend you to subscribe and then share so that anytime you post new video, you can get noted. Thank you for wasting your time, and thank you for always being there for learning. We will always be proud of you that you take the lesson serious. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.